Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen properly. Forget everything you thought you knew about instant noodles. We're elevating this dish. The secret lies in precise timing and quality components. We'll cover everything from water temperature to the perfect toppings, ensuring every bowl is a masterpiece. Get ready to transform your ramen experience into something truly exceptional and delicious. Once your water is boiling, add the noodles and gently separate them with chopsticks or a fork. This prevents them from sticking together and ensures even cooking. While the noodles cook, prepare your serving bowl by adding the seasoning packet. This method allows the seasoning to dissolve perfectly when the hot broth is added, creating a richer, more integrated flavor profile. Now for the finishing touches that truly elevate your ramen. A perfectly soft-boiled egg, sliced in half, adds a creamy texture and rich flavor. Freshly chopped scallions provide a vibrant color and a delightful, crisp counterpoint. For an extra layer of complexity, a small drizzle of high-quality sesame oil brings a wonderful nutty aroma and taste. These additions transform simple ramen into a gourmet meal. The beauty of ramen is its versatility. Feel free to customize your bowl with ingredients like a dash of chili oil for a spicy kick, or some thinly sliced pork belly for a savory, satisfying protein boost. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your perfect combination. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.